There are many reset options that are available within Synthesis that allow you to reset the field, your robot, or its spawn point if something goes wrong and you want to change any of the three. To reset, navigate to the Home tab up here and enter the Reset dropdown. To reset your robot, press Quick Reset. The keyboard shortcut, just the letter R, also resets your robot. To change where your robot spawns into the field, you can select Reset Spawn Point. Once you're here, you can drag the arrows to change where you spawn onto the field. And you can use these to move your robot to the desired spawn location. In addition, you can click and drag a face of the navigation cube to move the robot freely. Now if you want to rotate your robot, you can hold the right mouse button and use your A and D keys to rotate the robot. Once you're all set up, press Enter to save your spawn point. Now if you want to reset the field, go back into the Reset dropdown and click Reset Field.